Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream from raw milk, updated. Start by chilling raw milk and all utensils to under 4 degrees Celsius to encourage cream separation. Next, let the milk sit so cream naturally rises, or skim carefully with a ladle. Use a clean jar or bowl and a chilled whisk or electric mixer. Keep everything cold and work quickly to maintain texture and flavor. Gently separate cream from raw milk by refrigerating it undisturbed until a clear cream layer forms. Carefully skim the top layer into a chilled bowl, avoiding milk below to keep fat content high. If you need more precision, use a glass jar with a spout or a separating cup for cleaner transfer. Chill the skimmed cream again before whipping to preserve structure and avoid lost volume while you prepare sweeteners or flavorings. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort during kitchen prep. They hold up through long shifts and spill cleanups, and they make a surprisingly great gift for home cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Whip the chilled cream using a whisk or mixer until soft peaks form, then sweeten gradually to taste. For longer stability, fold in a tiny pinch of cream of tartar or dissolve unflavored gelatin and add while warm. Finish with vanilla extract, citrus zest, or a splash of liqueur for depth. Taste as you go and stop at the texture you like, whether soft peaks for folding or firmer peaks for piping on desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.